Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chimma here again. In today's video I want to do a very detailed eyebrow tutorial for you guys using only a brow pencil. If you're in South Africa, this brow tutorial is just going to cost you 10 rands to achieve. Okay, so before we go into the video, I would like to trim the excess on my brow first off. So let's get into it.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know
I'm done trimming my brows. The next step is just to take a setting powder. So I'll be going in with this Sacha Buttercup. Just take any powder of your choice. It's going to help mattify your brows so it will last the whole day without going anywhere. To achieve these beautiful brows, I'll be using this pencil right here. If you're in Nigeria, you know this pencil is sold for 100 naira in Nigeria, and if you're in South Africa, you can get David's pencil for 10 rand. It's just a basic eyebrow pencil you can get from China Mall or anywhere at all. So the first thing I'll do when I want to do my brows is to brush the hairs like so. Okay, so I just go ahead and outline my brows from the starting point. Yeah, I've done that. I'm also going to go ahead and outline the upper part of the brows, following the exact shape of my brows. Most times I go above, sometimes I just follow the natural shape of my brows. So today I'm just going to follow the natural shape of my brows.
sometimes I say that I want you back.
You can see I joined it with this one right here with the other one below. So I'm going to extend the line. For the upper part of the brows, what I do is when I outline the upper part, I do not start from the beginning of the brows. Okay, I stop somewhere here. So I will just go in and fill him in the sparse areas. I'm just going to fill it in lightly because I have full brows. I don't like making it so thick. Next thing I'm going to do is to brush it upwards. I'm going to repeat same process here also. To clean up the brows, I'm going to go in with these two items right here. This is the LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee, and this is my flat concealer brush. I'm going to be using this concealer brush for the purpose of this tutorial. You can use an angled brush, you can use a concealer brush, depending on what works for you.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know
now that I'm done cleaning the lower part of the brows, I'm just going to go in with my foundation shade to clean the upper part of the brows. Most times I don't do this. When I'm done with the lower part, I just clean it up when I'm applying my foundation. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this foundation to show you how I do it.
Sometimes I say that I want you back, but I don't know if I do. Sometimes I think about the good days we had, but there were bad days too. And I know love is like the phases of the moon. And I know
just gonna clean it up, okay? Basically, this is how I do my brows, okay, on a daily basis. When I don't want to go in with brow gel, brow powder, and those lot of protocols, this right here is going to do the job for you. It's just 10 rand, okay? If you follow these steps that I used, you're definitely gonna do your brows and slay them. Definitely. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? See you in my next one.